Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss some MCQs regarding current affairs of year 2020. Which Indian private sector bank has recently rolled out banking service on WhatsApp amidst the nationwide lockdown? What the question is saying that our private sector banks are providing various online net banking, like in J&K Bank we have MPay. In the same way, we in SBI we have Yono, but that is online banking that uses a different separate app being developed by the respective banks. But recently during COVID-19, when we were not able to go to banks or we were advised to stay at home, one bank took the lead and decided to launch online banking system but through WhatsApp. So on WhatsApp they provide information regarding balance check, blocking check, and all kind of. So out of which bank? Four options are given: HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and Yes Bank. uh, and the answer is ICICI Bank. You can read out here also. As of April 2020, which country holds the presidency of United Nations Security Council? So what question is saying that you must be aware about that United Nations having various fields, arms. One of the arm is United Nations Security Council, and it consists of 5 permanent and 15, I think, non-permanent members. Non-permanent members get changed after every 2 years, but these 5 permanent members, these but there are 5 permanent members. So they are saying which of the following was president, which holds the presidency of United Nations Security Council as of April 2020. Look, China, Dominican Republic, Argentina, and France, out of which the Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic is not permanent member of United Nations Security Council. You can use your map and see where, in which continent Dominican Republic lies. It lies, I think, in North America. The government of India has recently set up a cargo air bridge with which country to transport critical medical supplies during COVID-19, with which it is a kind of, it is not literally air bridge between two countries. It says that it is something like a cargo type. So it is China. It is with China. The air bridge uses regular cargo flights for transporting critical medical supplies between the two countries. The initiative is operated by Air India from April 3. This is implemented under the Lifeline Udan initiative by the Union Ministry of Civil Aviation. This one is not important. This sixth one is important. The Chief Minister of which Indian state has conferred the Hero of Animals award by the Animals Right body PETA. PETA is an Indian body which takes care of animals, their rights. It seems awkward when people do not have right to talk of rights of animals. Still, they are human beings and we must take care of them. And they have awarded one of our state chief ministers with Hero to Animal award. Means he must be taking steps to safeguard interests of wild animals of anything, and not necessarily by domestic as well. So answer: West Bengal, Rajasthan, Kerala, Odisha. And here you can use West Bengal capital Kolkata, Rajasthan capital Jaipur, Kerala Thiruvananthapuram, Odisha Bhubaneswar, and it is Odisha. Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik was conferred with this award.